This 2024 Grand Design Solitude 380 Florida is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, stove top burner, spare tire kit, slide-out, LP detector, external shower, auxiliary battery, oven, awning, water heater, skylight, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Solitude 380 Florida is 14,866 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.